Wireless charging has become a popular convenience feature, with GM being one of the first car companies to add wireless charging to a majority of their vehicles. Unfortunately, for 2015 through 2018 GM vehicle owners with new iPhone 8, 8 Plus, XR, or X, the GM system is incompatible. Luckily, a quick, low-cost fix kit is available from Brandmotion, and it's easy to install since it's designed to use the same mounting and connection as the original GM system. Here's how easy it is to change your 2015 through 2018 GM wireless charging module. Locate your charging pad. It looks like this. If you don't have this pad in your 2015 through 2018 GM vehicle, you likely don't have wireless charging and this product would not apply. Once you locate it, you'll have to remove the panels underneath to get to the module. Unplug the removable connector and remove the 4 screws holding the module in. Brandmotion's replacement module has the same mounting and connector of the GM system, which makes replacement very easy. Once the system is securely connected, replace the trim panels and the system should be functional. Place your wireless charging equipped phone on the pad, listen for the audible tone signifying the phone is charging, and you're good to go. You can now enjoy the wireless charging pad your GM vehicle was intended to have thanks to Brandmotion.